Today I'm going to be reviewing Fifine's Gaming Mixer SC8 USB audio mixer for PC and PS4. Remember, just PS4 or any PC. You do need to have an XLR mic like I have to be able to make this work. I'd like to thank Fifine for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at this because I have it hooked up here and see what it can do. All right, so I have my headphones in. I'm actually monitoring it through the unit. All right, so this is what it looks like. Sorry if you hear any clicking. I normally use a different soundboard, but I can tell you I actually plugged this in and I tested the video. This sounds pretty good with my mic. Now you've got some preset equalizers on here that you can use. You also have voice changers. On the back here is how you change the RGB lights. So you click on that. It's hard to kind of see, but that button will change that. These are all your inputs and outputs. This is your XLR mic. So I'm just going to show you how it works without talking. All right, so it should be working, but you've got your mic monitor, 48 volts. You have a different type of mic here, 7.1 surround sound for the headphones, equalizer, you got the 3 presets, and then you have A, B, and C custom buttons down here and the voice changer. Let me show you the voice changer, how pretty cool that is. So you've got Elder, so let's go ahead and check that out.
1, 2, 3. Let's go check Monster. 1, 2, 3. And load out.
Here's the megaphone. Here's a baby.
Here's the female voice.
Here's the male voice.
And now we're on auto tune. Now what's nice is you can adjust gaming and chat sounds right here. And this is going to be your gain. So if you put it up too high, I use OBS, you'll see that the line will go into the red and it's going to sound really distorted. But you have really good controls here. This does really well on Amazon. This gets 4.4 stars. It has 78 reviews. It's an Amazon choice, and last month it sold 1,000 plus in November 2025. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.